Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple birthday cake. This is very simple and won't take much of your time. You can surprise your loved ones by making this simple cake with your own customization if needed. Let's get started. First, let's make the cake. The cake batter recipe is the same as what we made for the mango cupcakes the other day. You can check it out by clicking the info icon on the top right corner of this video. So put all your dry ingredients in a bowl: maida, caster sugar, baking powder, baking soda and salt, and mix them up well. Now to this, add all the wet ingredients: yogurt, water, melted butter, vanilla essence and eggs. Whisk this well until there are no lumps and we have a smooth batter. Here I have taken a square pan of size 6 by 6 inches. I have greased it and lined the base with parchment paper. You can also bake it in a round pan if you like. Transfer the batter to the baking tin and bake at 175 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the cake comes out clean. Our cake is baked and is out of the oven. You can see it has a nice golden crust, and when I insert a skewer all the way down to the bottom of the cake, it comes out clean and dry. So our cake has baked perfectly. Now let's make a frosting. Here you can see I have melted the chocolate. I did it in a microwave on high power for 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can also melt it on a stovetop using the double boiler method. Now to make a frosting, take the room temperature butter in a bowl and add a quarter or half of the powdered sugar and blend on a low speed until combined. Increase the speed to medium to high and blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep scraping down the sides of the bowl in between. Now add the remaining sugar and blend again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our basic buttercream frosting is ready. You can see how airy and fluffy it is. Now add the cocoa powder and blend for another 30 seconds or a minute. Finally, add in the melted chocolate and blend for a final 30 seconds. Our chocolate frosting is ready. Now it's time to assemble the cake. First, we need to level the top of the cake by chopping off the excess cake on top. Then add dollops of the frosting and smooth it out. Repeat this on all sides until the cake is nicely covered in the frosting. To make it more colorful, sprinkle confetti or sprinkles on top. I couldn't get sprinkles, so I did a bit of a jugaad here, for which I forgot to capture the video. You can do your own decoration to this and we have a simple yet beautiful birthday cake ready. Hope you give this a try and do let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.